Okay. So you have sent me all the workings. So I'll mark those workings tonight and send back to you so that you also can, we can discuss what are the things we should improve. Any questions with the previous lesson? So we have already completed the entire chapter 1 now. Any questions?
Yeah.
Do we have any questions? Do you
No,
have?
miss. No, miss.
No. No. Okay. Then
Miss,
yes.
can I go to the text and practice?
Okay.
That part that seven.
Seventh one. Okay.
Can
Olivia's.
just read that?
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me take the pen. And let me share my entire screen so that you can see the rest. Okay. Here we go. Okay, now what they are saying is Olivia's fish tank contains 42 2/3 liters of water. So if I draw this entire what we call the water tank, what she has, that is, see, this is what that Olivia's fish tank. Let's assume that this is the Olivia's fish tank. So it contains 42 2/3 liters.
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Then she is emptying it out using a scoop which holds. Okay, so let's assume she is just removing all this water uh, with a scoop which holds this one holds for a one scoop 1/3 liters. So now they are asking how many full scoops will it take to empty the tank? What do you think? What we need to do?
We have to multiply, no, divide the.
Divide. Yes, correct. We need to divide this entire 42 2/3, the total amount of water from this 1/3 liter. This is what the amount, this is actually the water it contains in a single scoop. Water in a single scoop, and here this is the entire water in the fish tank. So now in the fish tank. So now how we gonna calculate this? So we have 42 2/3 should divided by 1 2/3. So these two are mixed numbers.
Yeah.
So first we need to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. First, we need to convert these into improper fractions. How are we going to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions? So here,
3
on the right, 42 times 3, that is 126. 126 plus 2, that is 128.
28.
So 128/3 divided by This number 1 times 3, that is 3. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 over 3. So, but
3.
we can't, yes, but we can't do the division, no. Always we have to convert it into a multiplication. So, if we wanted to convert it into a multiplication, then what we need to do? We just
Take 3 open, 5 down.
right. We just flip this 3 and 5. Okay. So here we have 3. We can cut these two. Then 3 got cancelled. Here 1. Here also we have 1. Now we have 128 times 1 divided by 5. Again, this is an improper fraction. So we have to keep the final answer in a mixed number. Okay, we need to keep the final answer as mixed number. How we gonna convert this into a mixed number? We can divide this 128 by 5. If we divide 128 by 5, for 12 we have 2 5. 5 times 2, that is 10. 12 minus 10, that is 2. Then we bring this 8 down. For 28, we have 5 times 5. 5 times 5, then we have 25. So 28 over 5, that will be 3 will be remaining. That means 25, 3 over 5. But in the question, they are asking us, how many full scoops will it take to empty the tank? So, if we talk about the full scoops, how many full scoops we need to put?
25, 3, 4, 5.
No, so here, there we have a portion. That means we need to put 26 full scoops. Because we can't measure this 3 over 5 from the scoop itself. So what we have to do is we need to keep, we need, right, we need to put 25 and also another one. That means altogether the final answer will be 26. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what else? Any other questions? Then we'll move to the next lesson, that is chapter 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Now here, okay. So here we are going to talk about algebra. We are going to talk about algebra. Algebra. In Sinhala, we call it as Vijaganitaya. So algebra 1, the first part. So there you will be learning. Okay, so what they are saying, algebra, many have begun in Egypt and the ancient Egyptians. So here they have mentioned kind of an history about the history about this algebra. So algebra may have begun in Egypt and the ancient Egyptians used the word aha, meaning the heap, to stand for an unknown number. In the same way, we use a letter such as X today. The Hermes Papyrus from ancient Egypt around this amount contains problems that need a form of algebra to solve. So they are believed to have been set as exercises for young mathematicians. These mathematical skills were probably essential for building the pyramid. So that's what it's kind of a small description about the history of this algebra. Okay, so
Yeah.
when it comes to algebra, there we will be learning about how to simplify the algebraic expressions and how to expand those brackets, and also at last we will be learning about how to solve the equations in which the unknown appears in both sides. Actually, that means we are going to solve those equations. Okay, now what are the, can you see my screen? Is it hard to
Yeah,
read?
miss.
Okay,
No, no.
no, okay. So then here we are going to talk about the basic principles. So what are the basic principles? So the first one is, they have mentioned algebra uses letters where often X to stand for numbers. We can use X or either Y or any other simple letters. Okay. So, or any other simple letters instead of these numbers. So, we call these numbers as variables. Why? We don't know the numerical value of these numbers. For those values, we are just initiating a letter. So,
Yeah, miss.
So the first one, it would be algebra uses letters. Often we are
One,
using X and Y or else
Y,
on
Z.
the right. EZ, very good. A, B, all the simple letters we are using, which stands for numbers, we are using as algebra. That is it. And do you know if it's sometimes the algebraic expressions can be treated in the same way as number expressions. For example, that means for the numbers we have 2 plus 3. No? So how much 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3, 5.
Yes, that is 5. No? So
Yeah.
again, we might have x plus x. What do you think? So x plus x, what is the value?
X plus X. X square.
X plus x. So we don't know the exact value of x. Let's assume we have x and we need to add another x there, Kayla. Then altogether, how many x's are there?
And 2X.
2x. Yes, that one we can rewrite it like this. Okay, now tell me if it's 2x plus 3x, then what is the final value? 2x
5.
on the right, 5x. Very good. If we have 8x, now we are doing subtraction. We are removing some x's. 8x minus 2x. What is the answer?
6X.
6x. Very good. Likewise, we can do all the mathematical operations. Algebraic expressions can be treated in the same way that as number expressions. We can do the additions, we can do the subtraction,
Subtractions.
we can do
Division.
the multiplications, and as well as we can do the divisions as well. We will be learning all those operations, how we do all these mathematical operations with the algebraic expressions in future. Is it
Yeah.
clear up to this point?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, the next point is x plus 3 means add on. Okay. Now tell me, what does this expression tells us? X plus 3.
Uh, unknown number plus 3.
Yes, yes, very good. X plus 3 means we just add 3. We just add 3 to an unknown number. Okay, to an unknown number. So this
Yeah.
unknown number means x, and this unknown number means x, and addition of 3, they implies like this. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have 3x. 3x means
3x means 3 times the unknown number.
right. 3 times the unknown number. That means there we have the multiplication. In between these two, if it's 3x means we should multiply this 3 by x. 3x means 3 times the unknown number. Now another new thing. X squared. Have you heard about the squared values? 2 squared, 3
Yeah,
squared.
indices.
Yes, indices we know, no? Then 2 squared means 2 into 2, 2 times
2.
2. 3 squared means 3 times
3
3.
times 3.
Now what do you think if it's x squared?
X times x. That
X
means
times x.
square unknown number.
Yes. X squared means we have to square the unknown number. See, those are the basic 5 principles which we are using in this algebra lesson. Okay? Those are the
Yeah.
things. Now the first part. Okay, now tell me activity 1. What they have done here? So, skill problem solving. Think of a number. Okay, now what they have done here is, so here we don't know the exact number. So they just ask us to think of a number. Let's assume that we we think about a number that is x. We don't know the exact value. Maybe I ask you to think of a number. So I don't know what is that number, but you know. So I just mentioned it as x. So now what they are saying, think of a number. Add 7 and then double the answer. So if they ask us to add 7 means we just need to add 7 to this number. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Then they ask to add 7 and then double the answer. Double the answer means we need to double this entire expression. 2 times this entire expression. X plus 7. Okay, this entire thing we just twice it. We just multiplied it by 2. And then double the answer and then subtract 10. From this expression, they have asked us to subtract 10. Now what will happen? Subtract 10. Uh, have uh, have the results and then subtract the original number as well. Once we have this one, from this one, again we need to subtract the original number as well. That means from this, we need to again subtract x as well. Is it clear?
Yeah.
That's what they have done here. So what will happen? If we simplify this expression further, 2 times x plus 7 minus 10 minus x. So we know already the bracket means actually the multiplication. How we gonna multiply these ones? 2 times x, that is 2x,
2x.
plus 2 times 7, that
14.
is 14, minus 10 minus x. Okay. So now
Mm.
see, here we have x term, here also we have x term. So that we can take these like terms because this one also an
That
x
is
term.
x.
On right, we just bring these two together, 2x minus x, and we'll keep these two together, plus 14 minus 10. Then what will happen here? 2x minus x, we have the answer as x. X, 14 minus 10, we have the answer 4. Then
4.
the final answer is x plus
X.
4.
4.
X plus 4. Uh, Subtracting 2x plus 4. Then, see, here they have mentioned half the results as well. We didn't make it half, that's why. So once we have, where they have asked us to half, subtract 10. Once we have this, once we do this subtraction, 10, they have asked us to half the results. Half the results means we need to divide this entire thing by 2. Half means we just need to divide this entire thing by 2. No? That
Yeah.
means from this entire thing first, what we need to do? We need to divide it by 2. Okay, then here also we need to divide it by 2.
Oh.
So once we divide it, here also, okay, then this thing is incorrect. So we have 2x plus 14 minus 10 divided by 2. At last, we have to subtract this x. That means 2x plus 4. Here we have 2x plus 4 divided by 2 minus x. What do you think? Once, if we divide this 2x plus 4 by 2, what is the answer we will receive? 2x divided by 2?
X.
X, very good. X plus 4 divided by 2, we have
2.
2 minus x because
X.
there's the remaining part, no minus x. Henang, x will be cancelled up. The final answer is 2. Is it
2.
clear?
Yeah.
That's what here they have mentioned. So we did that part. Okay,
Yeah.
now then the activity 2. What here they have mentioned. So here, skill reasoning. Investigate the results when you substitute various values, positive or negative, for x in both of the expressions. So now see, they have given us an expression. What is that expression? X squared plus 6x plus 5 should divided by x plus 5. So they have asked us to find the value. Okay, find the value. Investigate the results when you substitute various values. Let's assume x is equals to 1. How are we going to find out the value when x is equals to 1?
Mm, it is X.
So here what we have to do, if they ask us to calculate the value when x is equals to 1, that means we need to replace all these x's from this 1. X squared means now 1 squared plus 6 times, here x now, x means now 1 plus 5 divided by, instead of this x we have 1 plus 5. We just substitute 1 instead of this x. Is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
1 squared means 1 plus 6 times 1 means 6 plus 5 divided by 6. So what will happen here? 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, that is 12. 12 divided by 6, the final answer is 2. When x is equals to 1, the value of this expression is 2. Is it clear how we find out the value? Okay. Now, here we just substituted a positive value. No? If we substitute a negative value, what will happen? If the x value is equals to minus 2, now the same thing happens. Instead of this x, we have to substitute this minus 2. So what will happen? Minus 2 squared plus 6 times minus 2 plus 5 should divided by minus 2. Instead of this x, now we need to put this minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5. Okay, now tell me minus 2 squared. What is the value? Minus 2 squared. What is the value? Minus 2 squared means minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 times minus 2 means?
What, miss?
Minus 2 squared. My internet has gone, right?
Yeah.
My internet. Okay, now it's coming. Okay. So what will happen here? X is equals to, if they ask us to find the value, when x is equals to minus 2, that means we need to replace this all the x's from this minus 2. So here we have x squared. Instead of that x squared, we should have minus 2 squared plus
Yeah.
6 times. Here instead of this x, we have minus 2 plus
Two.
5 divided by, here we have x plus 5, that means minus 2
Minus
plus 5.
2 plus 5.
Anna, right. So what is the value? Minus 2 squared, that is?
Minus 4
No, minus 2 squared means minus 2 times minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 2 means?
plus 2. No, plus 4.
Plus 4. Yes, very good. Plus 4, that is 4. Then 6 times minus 2?
6 times minus 2 is uh, plus 8.
Here we have plus 6. Plus 6 into
Plus
minus 2.
plus 12.
So plus into minus? If we multiply,
Minus 2.
yes, minus 12 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. What is the answer? Minus 2 plus 5.
Minus plus 4. No, 3.
Plus 3. Yes. Now we have 4 minus 12, that is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 divided by 3. So minus 8 plus 5 means minus 3 divided by 3. That
3.
is minus 1. Is it clear how we did it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So that is what they have mentioned here. Okay. Now, can you do the first one? Simplify. Here, they have asked us to the first question. The first example they have shown us is to simplify the given expression. So the given expression is a plus 3ab minus 4ba. How we gonna simplify this expression? So what we have to do, we need to take the common like terms. Right, we need to take the common like terms and simplify it. See, AB and BA.
A minus 1AB.
Right, A minus 1AB. So 1AB means actually A
AB.
minus AB. Is it clear for you? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now the second one. Second one we have 3p cube plus 2p squared minus 2p cube plus 5p squared. Now tell me what are the like terms here? What are the like terms?
3P cube and
What are the like terms?
3P and 2P.
Yes, 3p cube and this 2p cube.
2P cube
Yes, these two are like terms. What else?
and P cube.
2p squared. Here we have 2p squared and 5p squared also on the right. These two are one set of like terms. These two are one set of like terms. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now what will happen? So if we simplify these ones further, so we can take
1P
uh,
cube
so we can
and
take these like terms together. 3p
1P cube
squared.
and
Uh,
7P square.
yes. 3p cube minus 2p cube plus this 2p squared plus 5p squared.
5P square.
Yes, if we simplify this further, 3 minus 2, that is 1. Again, 1p cube plus
And
here 2 plus 5, that is 7p squared. That means the final answer is p cube
P
plus 7p squared.
square.
Is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, that's what they also received. Now, what are the key points we are going to learn here? You can only add or subtract the like terms. We can only add or subtract the like
That's
terms. For
like
example, we can't add p cube plus p squared together because this one is a p cube term, this one is p squared terms. These
yeah.
two are not like terms. Because of that, not like terms, because of that, we can't add. Okay, we can't add these two together. Now what will happen? 3a squared plus 2a squared is 5a squared. But the terms in 3a squared, okay, so that's what they have given here. So here AB, this one also have AB, this one also have AB. Because of that, these two are like terms, so we can add these two together. Then the final answer is 5AB. But are these two like terms here? No,
No.
right? Because first one is an AB term, second one is only a B term. These
B.
two are not like terms. Because of that, we can't add these two together. What about these two? 3A squared plus 2A squared.
We can.
We can, yes, these two are like terms because A squared terms. But here we have 3A squared plus 2A. That means here we have an A squared term, but here we have a term. These two
Yeah.
are not like terms. Because of that, we can't add.
Add.
Okay, you can check
Yeah.
your, yes, you can check your simplifications by substituting the number.
Substituting numbers.
Yes, yes. Shall we do few questions on this exercise?
Okay, miss.
Okay, shall we start with the first one? Okay,
Okay, miss.
do the first one first.
OAB.
You are done.
Yeah.
So what is the answer? Let me do it.
OAB.
Yes, 4AB. Okay. Now do this entire 12 questions
Okay, miss.
one by one.
Okay, miss. Miss,
Yes.
I did the first six.
First six you did. Okay. Can you send
Yeah.
those ones to me now?
Okay, Miss. I will.
Okay.
Then I will. Do the other one.
Huh, huh.
Miss.
Yes, I
I.
receive.
Okay,
Mhm.
Miss.
I am opening those ones. Okay. So the first one is 9ab minus 5ab, that is 4ab. Very good. Then the next one is 5xy plus 2xy, that is 7xy. That's one also correct. 4pq minus 7pq, that is minus 3pq. 2xy plus y minus 3xy. Very good. Minus xy plus y. So here, no
Oh,
need to put this one as well, because if it's in front of the number, if it's in front here, that means xy should multiply it by minus 1. Then here 1,
yeah.
no need to put. You can rewrite it as, sorry, minus xy
Minus
plus,
x. Okay.
yeah. So x minus 3x minus 4x, then you have x minus 7x, see, now x minus 7x, you can simplify further. Because here also you have x term, 7x also an x term. So in front of this
Oh,
x, we have 1x minus 7x. What is the value?
it is 6x
Yes. Is it plus or
minus
minus?
6x
Minus 6x. Yes. Minus 6x plus,
plus 4.
yes, yes, very good. Then 7cd minus 8dc. Okay. Plus 3cd. Okay. Then here we have 7cd minus 5cd. Yes, that is 2cd. Very good. Yes, correct. All the answers are correct.
Okay, Miss.
Do the last six as well.
6. Okay, Miss.
Done? Okay, let me
Yeah, miss, I send you.
download it. So first one we already discussed. Nah, nah. Aiko aragatan. Angatene. Avane aragana. Okay, so here if I open these two, okay, see, we discussed up to this point. Then sixth also already done. Then the seventh, it was 6xy minus 12xy. That is minus 6xy. Okay. What you did first, you just add 6xy and 2xy, 8xy minus 12xy. Very good. Minus 4xy. Then 4ab plus, okay. Here 4ab minus 2ab, then 2ab plus 10bc minus 5cb plus 5cb. Very good. So here we have 3ba plus 3ba, 6ab, 6ab minus ab plus 5ab. Okay, then 6a, okay, 6ab, okay, ab minus ab, that is 0. Very good. The next one, it was, so the second half, it is, that one we already did, 5. 4gh minus 5jk minus 2gh. Then 4gh minus 2gh, that is 2gh minus 5jk. Okay, yes, we can't simplify further. Then 2p squared minus 5p squared, that is minus 3p squared. Okay. Here minus 2p. Very good. Then 12x squared y minus xy squared plus 3yx squared minus 2y squared x. Then 12x squared y plus 3x squared y. That is, so these
9.
two. No,
Ah,
12 plus now. Then 12 plus 3 means altogether we have
15.
15x squared y. Then here we have minus xy squared minus 2y squared x. Then
So then xy. No, 3xy.
yes, yes, minus
Then 2gx.
3xy squared, right? So is it clear the mistake? So here,
Yeah, miss.
okay. If I edit here, okay, it's hard to edit actually. So here 12x squared y term and the yx squared terms are the equal terms. So 12 plus 3, that is 15. 15x squared y. Here we have minus xy squared and minus 2xy squared. Altogether we have minus 3xy squared. Okay. Then the
Yeah.
final answer will be 15x squared y minus 3xy squared. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Shall we do the second exercise as well? I'll give you another tube to do as a homework.
Okay, miss.
Okay. We'll do that one as well. Then if I show you the next exercise, here we have this one. 1 star.
Miss?
Yes? Yes.
No, Miss.
If you have any questions, just ask from me. I'm here. I'll give you another entire tute to do at home. We'll do more and more questions.
Means after 12th, no?
Yes, up to 12th one. And then a new theory part comes. Yes, up to this 12th one. Done?
No, miss.
Okay.
Still in the 6th one.
Okay, okay.
Miss,
Yes,
Miss, can you do the seventh one?
seventh one. Okay. So let me open the seventh. Okay, let's do. Let me share my entire screen. Okay, so now the seventh question. There we have, okay, x squared. You can see my screen, right? X
Yeah.
squared minus 5x plus 4 minus x squared plus 6x minus 3. So now tell me what are the like terms here?
X squared and x squared.
Yes, these two are like terms. So I'll take those two together. X squared minus x squared. And again, these two also like terms. Because x terms no minus 5x plus 6x. Okay. And then here we have the two constant. These two also like terms. So I'll take all these like terms together. So x squared
Okay.
minus x squared, what is the value?
0.
0, no, nothing there. So I'll put 0. Minus 5x plus 6x. Minus,
11.
minus 5x plus 6x.
1x.
Yes, 1x. That means actually x. Then here we have plus 4 minus 3.
1.
Plus, yes. Then that means the final answer is what? X plus 1.
X
Because
plus
this
1.
one, yes, because this one is x term, this one is x term, this one is a constant. So those two
Okay.
are not like terms, constants. Those two are not like terms. Because of that, we just need to add these two together. Okay? X
Miss, can
plus,
I add
mhm.
uh, a 3 cube and plus a?
No, because here a cube plus a means this one is,
Okay, Miss.
see, this one is
Yeah.
x cube term, this one is only a term. So these
Yeah.
two are two different terms. These two are
Okay.
not like terms. Because of that,
Um,
we can't add these two together. Okay?
okay, Miss.
Mm.
Okay.
Now do the last five questions. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Miss,
How?
is the ninth one h cube plus 3h plus 3 plus h square?
Wait. H cube plus 5h minus 3 minus 4h squared minus 2h plus 7 plus 5h squared. This is the question. What we have. Then do we have, so now we need to take the like terms much closer. Do we have any other h cube terms?
No.
No, then we can rewrite the h cube terms like this. Then we have h squared terms, 2h squared terms. So here we have minus 4h squared plus, here we have again 5h squared. Okay, h cube done, minus 4h squared plus 5h squared also we considered. Then we have again two h terms. See, plus 5h minus 2h. These two also done. Then we have minus 3 plus 7. Now what will happen? H cube, it's remaining minus 4h squared plus 5h squared. What is the
H square?
h squared? Very good. H squared. Here plus 5h minus 2h.
3. No,
3h.
3h.
Yes. Here we have minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 means
4.
4 plus 4. Then the final answer is this.
Yeah, Miss, I got that,
Oh,
but in a different way.
right. Okay, okay.
Not
That's fine.
Mrs. way. So I
Oh,
got in a different way.
okay. Then the last two, 10, 11, and 12.
Miss,
Yes?
shall I send?
Ah, yes. Send me. Only 2 pages? No, right? Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, let me download. One, two, three, four. Okay. Now, if I open those four, one, two, three, and four. Okay, so okay, now the first question. 7xy plus 5xy minus 13xy. Very good. Then the 7ab minus b. These are the questions, right? Okay, let me check. Okay, these are the questions. 7ab minus b minus 7ab minus b minus 3ab, that is 7ab minus 3ab 4ab, 4ab minus b. Yes. 2ab minus 3ba plus 7ab. Then we add these two together, 9ab minus 3ba, 6ab. Very good. That is done. Okay. Then we have yes, this one. So here we have 12ab minus 6ba plus ba minus 7ba. Then how you did? Okay, you 12ab plus ba, that is 13ab. 13ab, okay, that is 0, correct. 4ab plus 10bc minus ba minus 7cb. Okay, AB term. That means 3AB. 10BC minus 7BC, that is again 3BC. Okay, 3AB plus 3BC. Very good. Then you have q squared, 2q squared, 3q squared, and these two q cube minus q cube, it will be cancelled off. Okay. Then that's also correct. X squared minus 5x plus 4 minus x squared plus 6x minus 3. Then x squared minus x squared 0 minus 5x. We did this one. No, then plus x.
Yeah,
Then,
I had a problem. That's why.
okay, we did that one. Then last two. Yes, this one and this two. 8. 5a squared minus 3a squared, we have 2a squared, 2a squared plus a cube plus a, very good. Then this one also we did, no, that one also we did. Then the 10th one, 3a squared b, 4a squared b, 7a squared b, very good. And then minus 3ab, very good. 11. Now we have decimals. 0.7 a squared b cube c. Here also we have, okay. Okay. That means here we have a squared b. Okay, let me check the question. So what we have here? Here all these ones are no. First term is a squared b cube c, and here also you have a squared b cube c. Okay, then if we add these two, 1 a squared b cube c, and if you minus 0.6 minus 0.2, then that means b squared a cube c. Okay, that means 1 a squared b squared. Okay, I think the 11th one is incorrect. I feel like that. Okay, I will do the 11th one. And the 12th one here.
I put 0.3 there.
Ekadam. Yes. So then that one is correct. Okay. And also here C is remaining from the first one. 0.7 a squared b cube c, no, plus
Yeah.
0.3 c b cube a squared. Then here 1 a squared b cube c. C also there should be c there.
Yeah.
I think that there should be c term. Again,
Yeah.
a squared b cube c minus, then you have, and here also 0. Minus 0.4 minus 0.2. That means altogether you have minus 0.6.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear? And then
Yeah.
at last you have the constant decimal word, that is 0.3. Okay. Then 12.
Other side.
Okay, other side. Then I'll close this one and then I'll open this one. 12pq squared r5. And here we have p squared. Okay, q squared p r5. That means 14pq squared r5 minus, okay, minus 2. Okay, very good, very good. All the other questions are correct. Okay. Shall we do
Okay.
more? Do you have any other works?
That means.
Shall we do, I mean, the next theory as well?
Okay.
Okay. Then the next part, here we have those ones also very easy. So here we have simplifying algebraic expression with brackets. You know this part already, how it works. Now we are going to simplifying algebraic expressions with brackets. Earlier, we just simplify all the like terms, not all the like terms together and keep it as it is. But here,
Yes.
now see, simplify 4r into 5t. What do you think? What is the final answer?
4r into 5t.
Yeah, 4r times 5t,
20 RT.
20rt. Yes, that is correct. Now the second question they have given us. Okay, so let me write it here. Then the second question they have given 3b squared, 3b squared into 3b. What do you think? How we gonna simplify this expression?
By 3b times 3b
Yes,
times
so
3b.
yes, 3b squared means 3b into 3b. Then again this 3b also there. So
Yeah.
3b means within this here we have the again multiplication. That means 3 times 3 times 3. How much is that? 3 times 3 that is
3
9.
9.
9 times 3 that is 27. B times b squared. Again
B
that
square.
b squared into b that
B
means b cube. Okay,
cube.
is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
That's how it works. That's the only
So
theory.
shall I do the exercise 2, miss?
Yes, you can do. So what are the key points then here we have to learn? The multiplication sign is
Sign is often not included between letters. Example 3AB means
ah
3 times
yes.
A
So
times B.
yes, you should know that if they have written like this 3AB, that means it means 3 times A times B. Within these ones, we have the multiplications. You should know it already. Then the second point is when multiplying add like powers, okay, there we have to do 3A squared B into 2A5B4 into A. How we just multiplied these ones? 3 times 2, that is 6. And then here, each and everywhere, we have the multiplication. So what we can do? Here, A squared into A. Okay, do you know these kind of simplifications? How to multiply those ones?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then, okay, we'll do one together. So here the question was 3A squared B into 2A5 B4 into A. How it works? First, we can multiply these numbers. 3 times 2, that is 6.
6A square.
Right. Now here,
A
uh,
7.
not only 7, here also we have 1. That means
Yeah.
altogether
Then 8.
8. Then b to the power of, we have 1 here and we have 4 here.
5.
Altogether b to the power of 5. Is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, okay. So shall we do, yes, shall we do these two exercises as well?
Okay, miss.
Okay, let's start. If you have any questions, you can ask from me.
Okay, miss.
Hmm. Hmm.
Miss, 2x times x means 2x squared, no, miss? Or
Mm,
3x? No, 2x square, no?
No, 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 no. See, now the first question is 3 times 2a, no?
Yeah,
Ah,
then it
this
is 6.
right. Then 2, here 2a means 2 times a. Then 3 times 2, 6. Here we have to put a, 6a. Because we can
Yeah.
multiply only numbers, and if there's any unknown values like a, b, like that, then we need to consider those powers and simplify.
Okay, miss. Okay. Mhm. Miss, Miss, can you hear me? Miss, Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, tell me. Sorry, I was on a call. What is the question?
Sixth one, is it 4r square?
Sixth one, 4r squared. Yes, 4r
Okay.
squared.
Okay. Miss, I sent.
Yes,
I sent the pictures.
you sent the pictures. Okay,
Yeah.
I received. Let me download those pictures. Okay, so here 3 times 2 is 6a, correct. 2x squared, correct. 3x cubed, correct. 5a cube or 6a cube here? Is it 5? 5a cube. Okay, it's like 6, no. 5a cube into 3a squared, that means 15a5, correct. 2t into 3s, 6ts, 4r squared, 2a squared b squared, 4y cube. Okay, correct, 4y cube. Then next part, the last two, 2x squared into 3, that is 6. Okay, 6 times 2, that is 12. 12x cube. 12x cube is the answer. Then here you have 4a squared into 5a, that means 20a cube. Very good. Okay. Shall we do this 2 star and then finish for today? Only these two exercise. So I'll send you,
Okay, Miss.
okay. So then I'll send you a PDF. You have to do that entire worksheet at home. Once you completed it, send back to me. So for today, we'll do this 2 star exercise and then finish. Okay. Last
Okay, Miss.
exercise for today. Okay. So in school, where are you now? Have you completed the algebra?
Miss, like we have passed that lesson up to like
You
other lesson.
okay. You just started, but you didn't do all these exercises, right?
That expanding brackets.
Okay.
That's one.
Okay, that's one. Okay, okay. No problem. If you have any questions, just ask from me.
Okay, miss.
Is it too much for today? No, right?
No, miss.
Okay. I sent you the homework PDF, so you can try all the
Okay, miss.
questions. These ones are from the first lesson. Okay, so you can take
Okay,
your
miss.
time, no problem. Do it, complete it, and send back to me.
Okay, miss.
Okay. So for up to this point, is it all clear? In which question are you now?
Ninth one.
Ninth one. Ninth one now. Okay, you have only one more question. We'll complete that one and then finish. Then we
Okay,
can do the expanding brackets from next week onwards.
okay, miss. Miss, shall I send?
Yes, yes, send.
Okay, Miss. Miss, did
Yes,
you get it?
yes, yes. I'm just opening those ones. Give me 1 minute. We'll check on those ones and then finish. Okay, you have sent 4 images, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
Miss.
yes. So the first one, it was this one, and this one. Now the first one. So we discussed this one. That is done. Okay, then here we have, okay, starting from here, 8a cube, correct. Then we have 5 times 3, 15, x4, y2, that is correct. 3, 6a7, correct. Here we have 9y squared, 18y cube, correct. Then 6 times 2, that is 12, 12 times, oh, 6 times 2, that is 12, 12 times 3, that is 36. 18 times 2, that is 36. It's not 46. Then 6, okay, then x5 y cube. You found the, it's clear, right? This 18 times 2, that is 36. The fifth one, hello? Hello.
Can you hear me, Miss?
Yes. So the fifth one is incorrect because
Yeah,
here it should be 36. That's the only case. Then the next part, um, yes, 3 times 2, 6, 30, a cube, b cube, c 5. Very good. Then 7 times 2, that is 14. 14 times 4, that is, here you have -2 or 2. Okay, let me check.
oh,
Seventh one, 2, right? Okay. Then that means, yeah, 56. 56 into x, y, y squared, and here also y squared. Altogether you have y. Oh, this one.
yeah, Miss. That one is out now, Miss.
2y times 2y, that is 4y squared. Okay, so how it works? Now see. Here you have 7x into 2y squared into 2y squared. No, this means 7x times 2y squared into 2y into 2y. Okay, that
Yeah.
means 7 times 2, 14. 14 times 4. 14 times 4. Huh? Hari, it come up anything yeah, shape it. 7 times 2, that is 14. 14 times 4. 2 times 2, that is 4. Then we have x times y squared, y into y. That means y to the power of 4. 14 times 4, that is 56. 56 x y to the power of 4. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Then we have 2 times 3, that is 6. 6 times 4, that is 24. 24 y 6 x 6. Yes, correct. Then that part is correct. This one is the last one, right?
Yeah.
4 times 5, 20. 20 a4 b6 minus 2a squared b5 into this one means here we have 6a4 b6. Okay, you can do the subtraction. So these two are with same say like terms. Like terms, that means 20 minus 6, we have 14. 14 a to the power of 4, b to the power of 6. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So that's all for today. See you on next day with the expanding brackets part. Do the homework, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much for
Bye, Miss.
joining. Bye.
Bye.